Okay, Lucia, good morning. Welcome to the class. Some students are coming, no? Remember, the classes starts 8:30. Okay, let's start with this class. Hey, everybody, welcome to the English class. Let's start this class singing, okay, in English. You remember our song? This is. Okay? Now, please open your microphones. Let's start singing, okay?
Module 3, Revision. 5. Read and match the lines with the pictures. Then sing. See the world.
Open your microphones. I want to travel to another place. Or
another place, or every travel to another place. On the moon, ride a hot air balloon, swim in the longest river, and climb the towers, see the across the largest I want to
I want to travel. Okay, my friends. On Tuesday, we did the lesson 1. Now we learned the comparative. We talk about using comparative, tall, taller. You know that. Okay, and the teacher evaluate this, no? You make some questions using the comparative. Also, we work with this vocabulary, no? Please open your microphones. Repeat the vocabulary. Open. Let's read, okay? Building.
Building.
Continue. Skyscraper. Very good. Skyscraper. Bridge. Pyramid. Underground. Good. Underground. Busy. Very good. Large.
Good.
The comparative.
Better.
Good.
Bad.
Worse. Very More. Thank you, my friends. That's good. Also, we work in the workbook. Now we play it with the comparative. We work in groups, and then we made the groups, no, for the poem. Okay. Now, my friends, let's start the lesson number 2. Okay, this is the lesson number 2. We are going to talk about superlative. Okay. Who can tell me? Who knows? Which is the largest desert in the world? Who knows the answer? If you know, raise your hand. Which is the largest desert in the world? Atacama Desert? A Gobi Desert? No idea? Can you repeat, Zoe? Poem, no. Which is the largest, the biggest desert in the world? That is the question. Leonardo, tell me.
The Sahara?
Oh, Oh, that's good. Sahara, okay, the Sahara Desert. Very good, Leonardo. Pay attention why. Why is the Sahara Desert the biggest desert, the largest? Okay?
Desert is a landscape or region that receives very little precipitation, less than 250 millimeters per year. Approximately 1/3 of Earth's land surface is a desert. In this video, we will see the world top 5 largest desert. 5. Gobi Desert, 500,000 square miles. The Gobi Desert covers parts of northwestern and northern China, as well as the south of Mongolia. It occupies about 500,000 square miles of total land area. The Gobi Desert is sometimes called the Rain Shadow Desert, as the proximity of the desert to the Himalayan mountains blocks rainfall, as it keeps clouds from the Indian Ocean from reaching the Gobi. Most of the Gobi's surface is not sandy, but rather exposed, bare rock. It is a cold desert and snow occasionally will accumulate on its dunes. 4. Arabian Desert, 900,000 square miles. The Arabian Desert is found in Western Asia, where it covers most of the Arabian Peninsula. It is one of the largest deserts on Earth, with a land surface of about 900,000 square miles. It engulfs much of Yemen, the Persian Gulf, Oman, Jordan, and Iraq. 3. Sahara Desert, 3,500,000 square miles. The Sahara Desert is the third largest desert in the world and the world's largest hot desert. The Sahara Desert occupies a surface area of about 3.5 million square miles. This desert accounts for most of the land in North Africa, excluding the fertile regions of Maghreb, the Atlas Mountains, and the coastal region adjacent to the Mediterranean Sea.
Okay, as you can see, the largest desert is this, the Sahara. 3 million, you see, 3,500,000 square miles. It's huge. It's really huge. Okay? Today we are going to work using superlative. And pay attention here, please. The teacher now is going to evaluate this. Similar from the lesson 1, you need to make and answer questions about countries, cities, bridges, deserts, if you prefer, continents. But you need to use now the superlative. Okay, now it's using superlative. Okay, my friends? So let's start with the vocabulary. Okay? Please open your Young Stars, the student book. Open please your Young Star. This is your book. Your Young Stars, the student book. Let's go to the page 28 and 29. Okay? (28) and 29. Okay? Yeah, let's start with the vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Okay? Teacher, what page? 28 to 28. Okay? Listen and repeat, please.
Plant.
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 Open your microphone. Open your microphone. Valentina, Rihanna, Vanessa, your microphones. Repeat.
Plant.
Plant.
Plant. Waterfall.
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 Jungle.
Jungle.
Desert. Island. City. Dry. Wet.
Continent.
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 Cross.
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 Okay, my friends, close your microphones. Close. Boys, be careful in this word, huh? Girls. Island. No Island. Island.
Island.
Okay, be careful in this. Okay, Waman Sayed. Sayed, read the vocabulary, please. Waman. Oh, come on, what happened with Waman? It's not in classes.
Guamán Quintero Sayet, ¿puedes responder, por favor?
Waman. No, it's not in
Parece que no está,
classes.
profe. Me voy a comunicar con su mamá ahora.
Thank you, teacher. Manuel Aliaga. Manuel, please read the vocabulary.
Teacher.
Okay, Manuel, read the vocabulary, please.
Teacher, yo soy Sayed.
Oh, Sayed, you are in there. Okay, Sayed, please read the vocabulary.
Land. Waterfall. Jungle. Desert. Island. City. Dre. Went.
Continue.
¿Por qué tengo que leer eso?
Yes.
Continents cross.
Sayed, repeat, please. Jungle.
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 Desert.
Desert.
Island.
Island.
Dry.
Dry.
Wet.
Wet.
Okay, Sayed, remember, huh? This is different, huh? Thank you. Manuel Aliaga. It's your turn, Manuel.
Land, waterfall, jungle, desert, island, city, tree, wheat. Contained cross,
Repeat, Manuel. Island.
island,
Continent.
continent,
Cross.
cross.
Very good, boy. And to finish, Lucia Garcia. Lucia, read the vocabulary. Lucia. Okay, good.
Professor. Plant, plant, waterfall, jungle, desert, city, dry, wet, continent, no, cross,
Repeat, Lucia. Island.
island,
Very good, girl.
island.
Good job, Lucia. Thank you. Okay, my friends, this is our vocabulary. Okay, plant, you know, also is an action, no? Remember, plant. Waterfall is this. When you visit San Ramon or La Merced, you visit sometimes Tirol waterfall. Belo de la Novia waterfall. This is a waterfall, okay? Jungle, you know, desert, similar to Spanish. Island, similar to Spanish city. Dry. Teacher, what is dry? It's an adjective. The comparative of dry, drier. The superlative of dry, the driest. Okay? Wet is another adjective, the opposite of dry. The comparative, wetter. The superlative, the wettest. Okay, this is the superlative, the wettest. Continent, similar to Spanish, and cross. Teacher, what is cross? Cruza, cruzar. Okay, to cross a river, for example, no? You need to use cross, okay? or cross the street if you prefer. Okay, my friends, this is our vocabulary. Now, pay attention in the book, a story we have in this book. We are going to answer some questions. Okay, pay attention what happened in the story.
It's Monday morning. What do you know about deserts, children? They're hot and dry.
And there aren't many plants.
I think they are the driest places in the world. Well done. And in which continent can you find the largest desert?
In Asia?
No. It's the Sahara Desert in Africa. Look, it crosses 12 countries. That's right, Greg. Later. What about jungles? They're forests and it rains every day. Yes, I think they are the wettest places in the world.
There are lakes and waterfalls too.
The biggest jungle is the Amazon. Now tell me, where is the best place to live? On an island. They're the most beautiful places in the world.
No way. Cities are better than islands.
I mean between the desert and the jungle.
Sorry, Miss Adams.
Yeah, one more time. Okay, let's watch because we are going to answer some questions. For example, in what subject they are studying. Okay, some questions about this, the desert or jungles. Okay, so pay attention one more time.
It's Monday morning. What do you know about deserts, children? They're hot and dry.
And there aren't many plants.
I think they are the driest places in the world. Well done. And in which continent can you find the largest desert?
In Asia?
No. It's the Sahara Desert in Africa. Look, it crosses 12 countries. That's right, Greg. Later. What about jungles? They're forests and it rains every day. Yes, I think they are the wettest places in the world.
There are lakes and waterfalls too.
The biggest jungle is the Amazon. Now tell me, where is the best place to live? On an island. They're the most beautiful places in the world.
No way. Cities are better than islands.
I mean between the desert and the jungle.
Sorry, Miss Adams.
Okay, my friends, let's answer some questions. Okay, if you want to participate, if you know the answer, raise your hand. For example, what subject they are studying? Subject, teacher? Yeah, do you remember? What is your favorite subject? Do you remember that? That is, what classes they are taking, what subject they are studying. English? No, they are not studying English. Oh, Leonardo, what are they studying? What subject they are studying? Music?
The dessert?
Yeah, but dessert is not a subject. In the chapter 1, you have
Dry? Dryer?
Subject. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is art. Is music. That is subject. Valentino, what subject they are studying?
It's geography, teacher.
Oh, good. They are studying geography. The geography talks about mountains, lakes, rivers, deserts. Good job. It's good. Second question. Which is the largest desert in the world? Also, they talk about that. Okay, Leonardo, tell me, which is?
The Sahara Desert.
Very good, boy. Thank you. Another question. In what continent is the Sahara Desert? America, Asia, Europe? A different student, okay? Alexia, tell me, in what continent?
In Africa.
Oh, good, in Africa continent. Very good. A little bit difficult. How big is the Sahara Desert? How many countries crosses the Sahara?
12 countries.
4, no. How many countries the Sahara Desert crosses? Dana, how many countries? Countries, Peru, Brazil, those. Tell me. In English, Dana, in English. What number?
12 countries.
Oh, very good, Dana. Yes, it crosses 12 countries. You see? This is very, very huge. One country here, another country, 12 countries. Huh? You see? 12. It's very big. Okay, and to finish, please, tell me the characteristics of a desert. What is a desert? Tell me the characteristics of desert. It's in the book, no? They are talking about that. Manuel, tell me, please. Manuel, tell me, what is a desert?
They, mm, they're hot and dry, and there aren't many plants.
Oh, very good, boy. Thank you. The deserts are hot and dry. Manuel says, no? Hot and dry. Yes, it's hot and dry. Also are the driest places in the world. What about plants? Let's talk about plants and animals. There are a lot of animals, a lot of plants. There are many plants in a desert. No, there aren't many plants. Okay? Yeah, let's continue. Let's talk about now jungles. One student, please raise your hand. Which is the largest jungle in the world? Zoe, please tell me.
Teacher, the jungles is wet? Wet, teacher?
Yeah, this is a characteristic. Yeah, this is a characteristic. But the question is, what is the largest jungle in the world? The biggest jungle in the world, okay? Rihanna, please tell me, what is the largest?
The Amazon?
Oh, very good here. Yes, the Amazon jungle is the largest jungle, the biggest jungle. Good. Yeah, tell me more characteristics, please. Tell me more characteristics. They are wet. The jungles are wet. What else? What about the plants? Look, there are many plants. No, many, a lot of plants. Also, not only plants, also animals. No, a lot of animals. Okay. Good. The Amazon. And in what continent is the Amazon? Where is the Amazon?
America.
Repeat, please, Leonardo.
America.
America. Good. More specific, South America. No, that. Very good. Okay, my friends, it's your turn, please. You have 4 minutes. I'm going to give you 4 minutes. Read one more time the story. Read one more time. And complete, please, these sentences. Okay? Complete this sentence. Desert are the what? There aren't many what in the desert. The Sahara Desert is the in the world. What? Complete, okay? You have 4 minutes. Complete in your books, okay? In your books. Sebastián, open your camera. Fernanda, your camera. Lavado, your camera. Sayed, your camera, please. I need to see if you are in classes or you are not in class. You're working in your book or no, okay? Complete, please.
Yes, teacher.
4 minutes. Use your books, no? Use your books. Ah, this here, teacher is here. Use your books, please. Use your books to complete, okay? So, did you finish or you have a question?
Finish, teacher.
Oh, very good, girl. The rest, please, complete in your books. As always, I am going to choose some students, no? These students are going to help me. But continue in your books, okay? Complete in your books. Complete your books. Look at your books. Complete. Oh, Sebastian has problems in internet. 2 minutes more, please. Finish your book. Complete your books. These students are going to help me, okay? This. Manuel, complete in your book, boy. Complete.
Teacher, ¿puede activar la opción de anotar?
It's a speaking, Valentina. It's a speaking in this part. You're going to speak. You're going to read. You're going to read, okay?
Teacher, ya tengo la respuesta.
Okay, boy. Thank you. 1 minute to finish. For the rest, complete your books. Teacher, I want to participate. Yeah, you can raise your hand, okay? Maybe Ricardo can answer, or Paolo, or Fernanda, no? Maybe these students can answer, so you participate instead. Okay, let's start. So please read the number 1.
Okay, teacher. Deserts are the dry places in the world.
So it's superlative. Dry or driest?
Driest, teacher.
Good, girl. Remember, when you find this are superlative, okay? Very good. Driest places in the world. Thank you, Zoe. Ricardo, it's your turn. Number 2.
There aren't many plants in the desert.
Good job, boy. It's correct. Thank you. Paolo, Number 3. Benito.
Sí, profe, todavía lo estoy haciendo.
Paolo, come on, I give you 4 minutes. Another student, please raise your hand for the number 3. Here is one adjective, but in superlative. Highest, smallest. What is here? Okay, another student, please. Who wants to participate? Raise your hand. Okay, Rihanna, tell me, please.
The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world.
Very good. Thank you. Largest, Paolo. This is in the book. Also, what's in the title of the class, in the lesson? Fernanda, number 4, please.
The Sahara Desert browses 12 countries.
Very good, Fernanda. Thank you. Dana, number 5.
Jungles are the wettest place in the world.
Very good, Dana. It's correct. Let's continue, Nadine. Number 6.
The desert is the biggest jungle.
The desert is the biggest jungle. Nadine, what is the name of the biggest jungle?
Teacher, yo.
Teacher me.
Wait a minute. Okay, Leonardo is raising his hand. Leonardo, tell me please. 6.
The Amazon.
Yeah, the name, Nadine. The Amazon, the biggest jungle. Okay? Not the desert. Amazon. Teacher, is similar to the river? Yes, are the same, no? But this is jungle. Amazon jungle. No Amazon river. Okay? Christopher, 7, please.
Donna thinks Islands are the most beautiful place in the world.
Thank you, Christopher. Repeat, only this. Islands.
Islands.
Thank you, boy. It's correct. Most beautiful. This is the superlative when one adjective is big. Beautiful, big. The most beautiful. Intelligent. The most intelligent, because it's the superlative. Because the adjective is big. Valentino, to finish. A.
Kevin thinks cities are better than islands.
Islands. Okay, Valentino? Thank you, boy. It's good. Cities, okay? In his opinion, no? In his opinion, the cities are better. Okay, thank you, Zoe, Ricardo, Rihanna, Fernanda, Dana, Nadine. Nadine, remember, read very careful. Leonardo, thank you, Christopher, and Valentino. Tell me, please, did you finish or no? Because we are going to play a game now. Tell me, did you finish? Did you check it? Your answers? Thank you, Dana. Paredes, Camila, did you finish?
Yes, teacher.
Maria Gracia, did you finish?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my friends, now we are going to play a game, but using the superlative. Okay? To remember, pay attention to this chart. Teacher, what is superlative? Yeah, last year we did, but if you didn't were last year, this is, pay attention. Good is an adjective. Okay, this is only an adjective. Better is the comparative. No, that is better, comparative. And the best is the superlative. Teacher, in Spanish, can you tell me this? Yeah, only the first, okay? Chicos, en castellano sería así, recuerda. Bueno, good, bueno. Better, más bueno, ¿no? Better. And the best, el mejor. That is super. Okay? Similar with bad. Malo, worse, más malo. And the worst, el peor o lo peor. Okay? Far, you know what's far? Lejos. Farther or further are equal. Más lejos. The farthest. The furthest. El más lejos de todos. Okay? That is the superlative. Remember this. And when one adjective is big, like in your book with beautiful, beautiful is a big adjective. No, 1, 2, 3. You have, see, it's big. The superlative is the most beautiful. Okay, we are going to work with this. Please open one Kahoot in your computers. We are going to play now with a Kahoot, okay? Open one Kahoot. It's in the chat, the link. We are going to answer some questions using the superlative. Enter, please. What kind of questions, teacher? Are in your book? Also is using the vocabulary, no? Enter, please, okay? Very good, Alexia. Lucia, Fabricio, Christopher, good. Paolo, enter, please. Manuel, good. Sayed, enter. Valentino, enter, Valentino. Luciana Canes, enter gear. Sebastian, enter to the game. Sayed, woman. Sayed.
Profe, está cargando mi crisis.
Okay, Sebastian. Very good, Valentina. Very good, Chiara. Ricardo.
Teacher, un rato no puedo poner en dos pantallas.
Sayed, woman. Come on, this student is... who else is missing? We are 23 students.
Profe, yo ahorita llame uno.
Christopher.
Teacher, yo también ahorita me uno. Tengo unos problemas de conectividad y no me deja buscar.
Okay, if you had problems, Sayed and Sebastian, use the chat. We are going to use the chat. In the chat, tell me the answer. Okay? If you had problems with your internet, use the chat.
Teacher, tengo mal internet. Voy a apagar mi cámara.
Okay, close your camera. But if you had problems, use the chat, okay? In the chat, tell me. I am going to read the chat. 1. Easy. Which is the fastest animal? The cheetah, my friends, okay? The cheetah is the fastest animal. Second question. Yeah, this is true or false. The highest.
Profe, disculpe, ¿Guamán Sayet ingresó al quiz?
Profe.
Teacher.
Sí, profe.
¿Por qué no responde cuando el profesor le llama a Guamán? Sayet, por favor, no me apague su cámara a partir de ahora, ¿ya?
Ok,
Está
profe.
bien.
Next questions, okay? The number 3. The biggest sea animal.
No carga, teacher. No carga.
Ya cargó.
It's your internet, my friends. Your internet. The blue whale. Very good. It's not the elephant, huh? Not the orca. The blue whale. Yeah, again, true or false? The Sahara is the smallest desert in the world. Smallest, my friend, read. You need to read. Smallest is the superlative of small. It's not the smallest, the largest. Okay? It's false. Again, one more time. This is true or false? Russia, the biggest country. Good. Number 6. Very good. The Amazon, remember that. 7. The Nile, okay? The longest. Long. A.
Profe, puse una respuesta que no quería poner, lo puse sin querer.
Be careful, the next question, Sayed.
Profesor, no carga la imagen.
No picture, Gear, it's the question. Read the question. You don't need a picture. Read the question. Read the question, okay? The picture is not necessary. Oh, come on. Neptune is the farthest planet. Farthest, remember, farthest means más lejos. Far. Yeah, the last. What sentence describe this picture? Yeah, in this case, yes, the picture. Look at the picture. What sentence describe all this picture? Yeah, very good. The most intelligent. The superlative of intelligent, okay? Jose Carlos, good job, boy. Third place. Valentino, second place for you. And the number one is Rihanna. Very good, Gear. Congratulations, Rihanna. Fabricio, number 4. Christopher, number 5. Okay, boys, girls, let's continue, okay? In your books, please, let's continue with the listening. Okay, activity number 4. Listen and circle. Only that. Listen and circle, okay?
4. Listen and circle A or B.
Good evening to all our listeners. Today, we have the scientist Jeff Thomas with us. He was in Brazil last month. Welcome, Jeff.
Thank you, Eric. It's good to be here.
What can you tell us about the Amazon rainforest, Jeff?
Well, the Amazon rainforest is on the continent of South America. It crosses 9 countries, but most of it is in Brazil.
Wow, that's big.
Yes, it is the biggest jungle in the world. It rains there every day.
Very interesting. Tell us more.
There are different kinds of animals there. There are also many plants, lakes, and waterfalls. The Amazon River runs through the Amazon rainforest too.
Is it the longest river in the world?
No, it isn't. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. The River Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world.
Thank you for all the information, Jeff. Well, that's all we have time for today. See you all next time.
Listen one more time.
4. Listen and circle A or B.
Good evening to all our listeners. Today, we have the scientist Jeff Thomas with us. He was in Brazil last month. Welcome, Jeff.
Thank you, Eric. It's good to be here.
What can you tell us about the Amazon rainforest, Jeff?
Well, the Amazon rainforest is on the continent of South America. It crosses 9 countries, but most of it is in Brazil.
Wow, that's big.
Yes, it is the biggest jungle in the world. It rains there every day.
Very interesting. Tell us more.
There are different kinds of animals there. There are also many plants, lakes, and waterfalls. The Amazon River runs through the Amazon rainforest too.
Is it the longest river in the world?
No, it isn't. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. The River Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world.
Thank you for all the information, Jeff. Well, that's all we have time for today. See you all next time.
Okay, my friends, 4 students, raise your hand, tell me. 4 volunteers, 4. Tell me. The number 1, okay, Zoe, you're the first.
Teacher.
Zoe, number 1.
Teacher is A. Jeff
Profe,
Thomas
ahorita vengo, mi hermano
is
está llorando.
teacher is Jeff Thomas is a reporter.
A reporter. Sorry, it's not a reporter.
Teacher, me. He's a scientist.
Reporter. The reporter didn't mention his name. He says, no, here is in the studio Jeff Thomas, a scientist. Okay. Leonardo, number 2, please.
The Amazon rainforest crosses 9 countries.
Very good. Teacher, what is rainforest? It's equal to jungle. The Amazon jungle crosses the Amazon rainforest. Okay. Thank you. Valentino, the next, number 3.
Siento, teacher, es que yo lo activo en mi micro con espacio y se salió. What can you find in the Amazon rainforest? Animals, plants, lakes, and waterfalls.
Thank you, boy. It's good. Dana, number 4.
Which is the largest river in the world? The Amazon.
Very good, Gear. The Amazon. Largest Amazon. The longest is different. Okay, longest. Oh, come on. The longest, this is the superlative of long. The longest is the Nile. The largest, the Amazon. Okay, my friends. Thank you, Dana. Was good. Thank you, Valentino, Leonardo. My friends, now we are going to work in groups and you are going to make questions. You need to create questions. Remember this. You need to make questions using superlative. Okay, use the superlative. Remember, the superlative is, for example, let's make some examples very fast. The superlative of a small. What is the superlative of a small? Who can tell me?
The smallest?
Very good. A small, the smallest, no? The smallest. Of big, the superlative of big. The
biggest. The biggest. The biggest.
Yes. The superlative of, let's see, another, tall.
The tallest. The tallest. The tallest.
The superlative of high.
The highest. The
highest. Very good. In groups, please, you are going to use this, okay? Using this information. In your books, you have the number 5. This information. Use the superlative. No fast, no high, no long, no small, no large, no big. You need to use the superlative. Okay? The superlative of fast, the fastest. The superlative of high, the highest. The longest. The smallest. The largest. Of big, the biggest. Okay? For example, you need to change this. No, you need to change this, this, and this. For example, the number 2, which is the highest mountain in the world? Open your microphones. Tell me, which is the highest mountain in the world?
The Everest.
For what?
The Everest.
Mountain Everest.
Very good. The number 3, similar, no? Which is the longest river? E. The Nile. Number 4, which is the smallest, superlative, the smallest continent?
Greenland.
Sorry, no.
Australia.
Yeah, Australia is a continent, the smallest. The next, which is the largest animal in the world?
The blue wall.
The
Good,
blue wall.
very
The
good.
blue
And to finish,
wall.
which is the biggest island in the world?
The Greenland.
Teacher, what?
Greenland. The Greenland.
Greenland, yes, it's a color, huh? Remember the color, green, Greenland.
What's the part?
Now, my friends, in groups, one student make a question similar to this question. Use this information, and if you prefer other information, and the rest answer. Okay? But I need to listen this. The question. Okay? I need to listen that. You have your books, huh? It's not necessary to use this. Use your books. Okay? Yeah, let's work in groups. You have 8 minutes to practice, okay? 8 minutes. You're going to practice. Oh, come on. One student make a question, the rest answer. Accept, please, the invitation. Go with your groups. Make questions. Which is the largest? Which is the longest? Which is the highest? Which is the biggest desert? The biggest jungle? You can use your ideas, okay? Let's go. Accept the invitation. Let's go. Yeah, one question for the rest.
Which is the largest river in the world?
The Nile.
Christopher, yes or no? The Nile is correct?
Yes.
The largest river is not the Nile. The longest. Yeah, another question. Another question, please. Zoe, your question, or Sayed, your question.
Teacher, which is the highest mountain?
Everest.
Very good, Sayed.
Yes.
Good question now, Sayed. One question for the group.
Teacher, disculpe, ¿hay que hacer cada una pregunta?
Yes, one question. It's good. Zoe, your question was good. Sayed, one question for the group.
No solo estoy pensando.
But use the ideas, use the information from your book.
Preguntas.
Yeah. Which is the largest animal in the world?
¿Y qué?
Which is the largest animal in the world?
The blue wall.
A blue wall.
The blue whale. Yes. The blue whale. Which is the biggest island in the world?
The Greenland.
The Greenland.
Yes.
Thank you, Valentino. Chiara, your question, please. Question for the group.
Teacher, todavía no tengo una pregunta.
But fast gear, create a question, Chiara.
Yes, teacher, estoy creando.
Your question, Dana. Make a question for the group.
Which is the biggest jungle in the world?
Alexia, Nadine, Valentina, answer. Repeat, please, your question, Dana. It's good. Repeat your question.
Which is the biggest jungle in the world?
The Amazon.
Very good, Nadine.
It's correct.
Nadine, your question, please. Your question.
Okay. Which is the biggest animal on the sea?
Blue whale. The blue whale.
Yes.
That's good. Continue. More questions, Valentina, Alexia. Camila, Paredes, question for the group, please.
One moment, teacher.
Come on, you have in your books this page, Camila. You have this in your book. The question is similar, very similar to this. This is in your book, Camila. You, Ricardo, one question for the group.
One is larger of the world.
Can you repeat, please? Which
animal is bigger of the world?
Paolo, Maria Gracia, Camila, which animal is the biggest in the world? The biggest significa el animal más grande. The biggest. Repeat, please, Camila.
The elephant.
The elephant. No, sorry. Camila, it's in your book. The question is this. Which is the biggest or largest animal in the world? Camila, what animal is? Look at Zoom. The blue whale. Okay, the blue whale.
Blue whale?
Yes, the blue whale. Yeah, another question, please. Use another question, Paolo. Question for the group. Paolo.
Sí, profe.
Make a question for the group. Which
Which is the large continent in the world?
the largest, Paolo. The largest. Tenemos que usar el superlativo. The largest continent. Okay, it's good. The largest. María Gracia, Camila, Ricardo. Which is the largest continent? This one. The largest, the biggest continent. Africa, America, Asia?
Asia.
Asia. Yeah, Ricardo. Asia is the The biggest, the largest continent. Maria Gracia, your question, please, for the class, for the group. Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back, everybody. Now, please, we are going to continue with a workbook, okay? Please open your workbooks. The workbook teacher? Yes, this other book. Okay, this other book. Your workbooks. Let's go to the page 22. The 21, we finish it. Now we finish this. Let's go to the 22, okay? Open, please, your workbooks, page 22. Number 1, we are going to complete these sentences using the vocabulary. Waterfall, jungle, island, city, desert, or continent. Okay?
Teacher, what page is?
22. 22. Page 22. 22, okay? Please, if you know the answer, go to Zoom and complete. For example, in the number 1, in the is very hot in the day, but it's very cold at night. Oh, yeah, this is the desert, teacher. Now, in the desert, it's very hot in the night, very, very hot, but very cold, the opposite, oh, cold at night in the desert. Please go to Zoom and complete, okay? If you know the number 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. For example, Asia is the biggest what? Angel Falls in Venezuela is the highest in the world. You must be careful because there are many wild animals like snakes or tigers. Alexia, go to Zoom, please, complete. Go to Zoom and write. Oh, good. It's okay. The biggest continent. Continue. Yeah, what's that? Continent. One student complete that, no? It's okay. Another? Oh, very good. Water. Waterfall. Okay, this is with A. Waterfall. But it's good. Angel Falls. Continue. The number 4, 5, 6. Yeah, very good, Fabricio. The city. Yeah, very good. In a jungle. Yeah, very good. Thank you, my friends. Good job. I'm going to erase this to write this, okay? Very good. The same in your books, please. Let's go to the activity number 2, okay? In the activity number 2, we are going to complete with a comparative. Oh, sorry, superlative. Read and complete with a superlative. What is the superlative of high? Tell me, what is the superlative of high? The
Highest.
very good.
The height. The height.
Yes, the highest. Ya no le ponemos da porque en la oración está, ¿eh? Aquí aparece da, are da, what is da, jungles are da. Ya no es necesario ponerlo.
Profe, ¿podemos poner?
Highest. Complete, please. Go to Zoom. Complete. What is the superlative of dry, of tall, of wet? It's missing T, huh? Driest. Toilet is not possible. Toilet. Tallest. Yes. Tallest. Taller, no. Taller is comparative. This is superlative. The tallest. Yeah, this is correct. And the superlative of wet? What is the superlative of wet? Come on. It's missing the last. The superlative of wet. Jungles are the wettest. Wettest place in the world. Double T, no? TT. WETTEST. Remember, superlative is this. Est, smallest, biggest, noisiest, okay? Strongest, est. This is superlative. Teacher, how do I know it's a superlative? Also with this expression, in the world, in the world, in the class, around the world. Because of this is a superlative. Okay? And to finish, the activity number 3. Now, be careful. When you compare 1 versus 1, is comparative, smaller. Comparative, 1 versus 1. If you compare 1 with a group in the class is a group, is superlative. In superlative, we use superlative, the best. Okay? Be careful, 1 versus 1 is comparative. 1 versus 1. And superlative is 1 versus a group. Okay, 1 versus a group. With a group. Now, for example, Tom, the student in the class, is superlative. Yeah, if you know, please go to Zoom and complete, okay? If you know the answer. Yeah, very good, Fabricio, is good. Valentino, in this case, we need to add the fastest, okay? Because it didn't appear in the sentence, you see? Didn't appear.
Profe, iba a añadir the fastest.
Yeah, very good, boy. In this case, please use the, okay? Because it didn't appear in the sentence, you see? Okay, my friends, this is for you, okay? Only complete the rest. It's okay, Ricardo, it's good. Please, we don't have much time. It's time for you break. Thanks for coming. Thanks for your attention. Chicos, antes de que se vayan, esto me vas a enviar por el CIANET. ¿Ya? Las capturas de tu workbook se envía a través del CIANET, ya no a través del WhatsApp.
¿Cuál página, profe?
Está habilitado por tu CIANET ya la página 20.